Amadou one thing Nati Joni because bro Amadou Jaramo, thank you very much for your time.
Yes, bro.
Me tima ko to that time arda kon what you make the promise. Me do welti ko to that ko arda kon. Thank you very much for your time. Bro, sai mi akita taw salmondira e jama after no mi hala kon wadi ha mi wadi ma invite.
Ko joni ni min nati mi wadu late seda kono bari ma promise to take part min ni tang yomi wadi switch on me how to a conversation ami saluni on ono ko kala ka waaw don wolde ka aduna saluna on mojjadu
okay bro sai mi wadi ma contact pour wadugo yow what do I invite on this platform because more create platform more the you to the musibe men especially sukabe men Gambian men one be road one Italy Arab especially Germany no all time the rumor of boys have men what the rich be not to the Africa not to the Gambia you are one of those brothers I have been listening to you long time you know since on Freedom Radio. You know, you contribute in there. I may have me and I made the image matter. Me nana I know it. I want to contribute in Gambian matters. Kono hari ami andamo because of Facebook what they are doing. Me do what they identify. Kono your voice is familiar to me because Ang Alaji Mustafa and some of our other brothers. You have been vocal in Gambian about Gambian matters. You always talk about Gambia. You know. The last time you made a video on your platform, you were talking about the highline of the sukabe made. I want to be advice on your be imano hore mabe tabe jodo be fadira ni tum be lawyer be mabe ben wow tabe walude especially be recheck. Bro, and you know the German system. You've been integrated to Germany. You live in Germany for so long. Ankon what the advice sukabe men Gambia bebeng especially one thing
and the Germany situation is too critical so when I Gambia tang and all over Africa, West Africa apare East Africa can know how to hang Algeria know how to hang, Tunisia know how to hang, Morocco know how to hang, East Africa be how to hang called Libya. Because Libya fono andi wande madong ubani ka wondo. Kono si how to dom ay Mali ibe natta yimbe Mali, Ivory Coast, Senegal, all over West Africa. The thing is that Andi yimbe ben hari be Yaya Jammeh. Mengin natanong we don't like Yaya Jammeh at the same time. Gambia is supposed to asylum. It's not possible. We have to tell the people the truth. The one giving asylum in Germany here before, it was Yaya Jammeh. And the Yaya Jammeh hari muhevi hala. Hasita ko hala no ko wadatano. Still, yimbe ben aray no do no nadina asylum, ibe wada accept asylum map. Kono the very moment Yaya Jammeh yalti sa miji tike sa mandi tike no hebuno time mo andanda German president Steinmeier or no Gambia. People were not explaining exactly the purpose of his visit. Kono andi Gambia president on arano don pour sodugol mangoji madu soran mending banana ji mending wana dum addino mo tonde ko halugol ko andi min ko straight forward halugol ko nga on very reason ko nu wade arno Gambia ya liga last video on YouTube for him to get a clear document mo andanda hay goto wata salade wonde mako Gambia government jonni modum normally ko seho fa fotno arde interior minister on do fotno arde on don non mo andi kala ko wawi yaade Africa yimbe be wada demonstrate behind him right here in Germany. German be ida demonstration. So they meet the president on Ari and the president do me follow what they explain to them and president have no function in Germany here. Go what do go teru yimbe ben si party jiding heavy problem or jodo go wada be andi adda be together pour be
just ceremonial that he's just ceremonial function.
This is what they are saying, but this is not true, my brother. This is not true. Why should the German president come to the smallest country in Africa for such a purpose? This is not true. He was there for him to get a correct document for them to be able to deport the Gambians. Because Gambia don't have asylum right now. And please, my brother, people must know this. Gambia don't have asylum right now. And people must know this. And they go to judge in Tamado, Germany do. Once you come to Germany here, you didn't go to school 6 months, our waste time Mahapari. That's it. Sahari do koya jango language sawawi language wa hebude place mo be not detail ko be not detail house build up. Kana na wa jango de métier. Si lu non dadima and wonde ma asylum ma be jettata dum. That's the problem. That's the problem. There is no government will expose those agreements online and through the media so that people can see. This is not, they will never do that. It's just like secret. Sandari YouTube videos the ending. One time he alternate on short video the whole parliament. Tabe what is a parliament. And the interior minister say over. Hali dum gabi post o inni kala mo annanda be wadi mo reject ko imo Germany. This is the problem here. So I'm advising all my brothers here. Once they rejected your asylum, it's better you try to get a lawyer. At least lawyer on wawete jonnde legal advice a family. Ala lawyer no a jodi ke ka asal ka habe aranima dong ando haray ko angwat. This is the problem in Germany here. I just wanted to tell this. And this is the reality. Me, I'm not lying. I'm telling the truth. That's the purpose of the Germans.
You see, I lauded you that message. Yes. Because people are trying to politicize things and not giving the young ones or the people who are facing this problem the actual fact, the information that they need. And on that video, Uncle Aluda Donkong, you made it clear that, listen, the Gambia don't have asylum, and Gambia is not in like a troubled country. And you repeat this here. And you said to these brothers, listen, for you to be able to buy time here is for you to go and find a lawyer to appeal your system and then try to integrate into the system. And I find that very way forwarding, and that is very productive because Sanari in what I concentrate, they are talking on only political thing. Now, what do you understand? Gambia no jogi own interest mode, Germany no jogi own interest mode. So when Germany want something from Gambia, they will also pass through what Gambia wants to get what they want. So
this is true.
So these are bilateral agreements, but people try to make things politicizing it. President Wadini Kari. No, he is just representing the Gambia. The Gambia is a country, and the Gambia have its own protocols. So, don't you think it's high time people to come out like you did? How long will people who come to this system, to this European system, how can they integrate to the system? What do they need? Like you said, I found that very impressive, and I have been listening to you for so long. I have been listening to your programs. You trying to enlighten people, but because of this program that I have Sunday here, and I promised him me halda him on Germany, and I saw that video on time. That's why I begged you. I said, bro, you being somebody who live in Germany and talking about Gambian matters, sit away arte yow thing yow hal na sukabe amen bang because menen you are base we lot of our young brothers are in Europe here, and some of them are in Germany. Maybe they are in these troubles, they don't know it. But hearing from somebody like you, you know, that will
thing is that Andy Mitajali Masa, Andy Minyarabe Membe, many of them they don't understand. Once they came here, some of them are underage. If you are underage, you get more time, you understand? And this more time, instead of they use it, they used to do foolish things here until they waste all their time. And then once you waste your time until they reject your asylum, the only thing you can do to extend your stay here a little bit is to get a lawyer. And the local affair lawyer Maudo. Local lawyer wadata everything. Aya yimbe ananda be jodo to azil camp mabbe arana be dong early in the morning because Allah hay loku kabe hodata. They don't understand that once the authorities come and take you inside your asylum camp, within 2 days you are in Gambia. This is it. No ya we have it. After Interior Minister onge hore mung hali. Sana yahuka YouTube ndara videos ti anding. Yes. One video I'm explaining what Gambians can do to avoid the deportation from Germany. That video is very, very important.
For the benefit, I am following you. I see those videos. For the benefit of those who will see this video, who are listening now, that why Harlan they be platform now, they follow. Because me, I am following. What is share a video, master, on my page?
This is it. And the Gambia Freedom Net. Gambia Freedom Net. Sa maybe sawadi Google ayi YouTube ayi you will see my face. Most of the videos is me. I don't reproduce other videos. You understand me? And there's one video I was explaining why Gambians are deported from Germany. That video, Sandari, about 19,000 people, 19,000 views. That video, I explained everything. Why Steinmeier came to Gambia. I explained all these things. Because the media here, Gambia is a small country, a family. Chitawi Sierra Leone no how to. Liberia no how to. Senegal no how to. Mali. They no how to. They puri njandu de Gambia. And people listen to this and they don't even use their brains. And the Kawondo, Gambia woni ala asylum maudo. Gambia ala asylum Kawondo. Once they rejected you, if at all you were in the school, learning what they call Ausbildung, then you have a chance. That's the only chance you can get to stay in Germany. There is no other chance. A family coming in Tamagon, there is no other chance. Sit down with chance.
Doesn't mean it want to integrate, like trying to learn skills and be able to contribute to the economy.
And something I have to explain. Some people, they used to mix up the language school and the Ausbildung. That's not the same. And the language school is just for you to learn the German language. To learn the German language, you cannot get the chance to stay here by learning just the German language. You first have to learn the German language. After the German language, you get the chance to get the so-called Ausbildung. And once you have your Ausbildung, and the Ausbildung giding, for Jangugol métier.
Yeah, professional, to profession,
profession. So every profession, you don't learn in 1 year or 6 months. You have 3 years minimum. Minimum. 3 years, some is 3.5 years, some is 4 years. So as far as you are doing your Ausbildung, nobody will take you back to your country. That's it. And you will get what they call Duldung. Which means they just accept. Even when you are going every 6 months to get stamped, this is good. It's better than when they just reject you like that. You understand me? But that's the only thing what you can get to stay in Germany. There is no other thing. Sit down and go to no word. And the what again, mi highlight dundo laba. There are some people, si be ari do be na chimi mi da boy debbo. Get tired of lang not do so to do. Mo do dundo fo since they had the school dun tawa ma dom ta. Arata ina by everything at once. A family come in the Tamako because what be not type Gambia harabe harata gonga. This is one. Second, Wodi be andanda and the men in Gambia we don't have crimes. There is only one crime we have. And me no mi hersani hal de dum mi hali dum videos mi hali dum several times. There are videos the andanda mi altna ha after ongula after 2-3 weeks tam mi itta because mi do fala yip be nana taw. What be aray do hara no yeya drugs. I the Interior Minister say over. And the Gombe over the target first. People who are involved in crimes. And we don't have crimes. You know, crimes in the Gambia, Gambia is 200 and something, Gambia is 100 and something. Gambia is in the top 5. But Daragol Kayasi, no drugs, and highlight. That's our handicap right now. A family coming to Tomato. And once you are involved in crime, you are in the computer and computer. When I have a jinnade, Kalakobe win the tongue. Yaltata. That's it. You are problem because Kalakawa da one day, she be maybe computer on and he be eat. Most especially if you are involved in crime. A family coming to in the Tamago, he may going on aki.
Siminanima, the German Interior Minister, best target Smako Purwadugol deport out of his country is people involved in crime. And one of those is those who are selling drugs.
That's it. Because many men are crime. And the Gambia. Crime is the heavy the info. Wood juggle, a supermarket, dodge, train, and so on. All those crimes. Gambia is 100 something, Gambia is 200 and something. Because anything here, a family. And Bani. Kono Daragol Kayasi. Ayi Daragol Kayasi. Kono Ndombe Andirime. Aray do Sahida Dabba school. Basically, Gambians are only involved in crimes. And in reality, this is the only crime what Gambians used to do. And Simeng Achi Untang Haray, everything is all right. A family coming to Tamako. Neto Arado, my brother. Aye Neto Arado, Sika won them or Yahali school, or Jangani. Aramodo. And I pull mo Jangani. Inube Inuboka Agurana Janguda. No, they don't joke with those things because they only one them Jangube Algurana de. And then they had go in the Hunjagola family when I done a puller. Hunjagol. Yes. Because of that, we are intelligent. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? Yes. Because of that, we are intelligent. So even when you do Quranic school, never come here and tell them you never learn, you never been to school. They don't care about that, man. Just tell them you want to go to school. And they will help you. That's the problem. But when once you stay here 6 months, you didn't go to school. And this I have to tell this very clear. And the Halugol Gonga Wuniwela.
No, Andy, no, Andy Kogonga on Tunda Birtan, yes, bro. Sai mi Torikema, what you got up here today on this platform. It's because of your candidness. On your that video, I've seen a lot of your videos where you talk about Gambian matters or other social and political issues. Yes. I found you very, 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 very candid and have been following you for so long because since Hariko Freedom 2-1 no newspaper, radio, you are one of those Gambian scholars who contribute about Gambian matters. And I recognize you from there. You know, some of those programs, even if you don't appear by then, people will have to ask about you. Onto arms, Germany, onto arms, because when you come, on Ali Kalaji, you people speak, you hit it on the nail. You always see things how they are. So I like that. I respect you for that. I admire that. I like things like that. Because in Halindiranani Gonga to Yataya so bro.
Because our media is not andi be keldani be ala kalisi andi media kadi ko mbudi na nawrata media something ko ine de media Gambia ene media men on jandali mawdo be ala mbudi kadi mo ala mbudi non ay goddo ara jonna mo mbudi o dejja wada halu dum e dum bayre ala mbudi a dejja ta ko be wadima dukku ha pari my brother mi hala na be dum be nana minna be ma brother fi ku fi ñew demulo school 6 months wes nga sa time be pa yo mom jehal nga complete sina du nangugol neddo ni tan nattamo be wadata de ala hay goto mo anda o ya high school do house building be arana maka house building be nattama dum ala because one time they hala dum ka media minni be hawma lan la len suñ media bi di wada wa ñu len they are not telling you the truth.
That might be also that might
and they send them to the Gambia. This is not possible, boy.
If the person is not involved, if the person is not involved in criminal cases, if
the person is not involved in criminal cases, they will not take you home. Once you are going to school doing your house building, they will never come and take you in your house building and take you to the Gambia. This is not true. Kala haldo dungo ko penale mawdo. Because aye yimbe be halata gonga de. Atawa do mo ananda ko ye gold drugs ara inama bro we de mo offices ko no de woni do sa wada ndo e bata mudi e mo do ara honnu be hebata do duñ fa de am gat penale tambe woniri wana there are serious people be ananda ko ya gold school yoni sa ari do hara you are involved in crime, you are Gambians and abonna na yimbe ara be ben afami ko min tamako because inata idaya jamme at the same time en fotu hebude do asylum yejjutu because I do hara mo yenna gor jigen nyaade an so won ay wobbe ara do fena inna Gambia de gor jigen pour be heba asylum afami ko min tamako tay wana diga ay tay wana gonga kun don fo joni ala ay ko Adama Barrow woni don te Adama Barrow dañ ko jox xaalis mu téye xaalis bi man dëgg bi laay wax de amuñ xaalis yéen suñ jox government même nganda ko government yela gol ko no
wana government on Gambia itself ko lady yela gol Gambia ala
yela gol wana ko du ngene te pular yela gol yelwa
ko yelwan yela gol
ko xamne dafa talal loxo yo nga bëgg ñuy la may te yo ki la may du la wax dara lim bëgg lolu fan la am porto okkete mbudi hara o soxlaani goddu nge jongoma way my brother ñun yaga nañ fi we know what's going on man même
ko protocole
o yido ay porto jonnat kala ko jonneri ma goddu tang in the left hand and on the right hand want something. This is the reality. So come in the Yahe school jungle language on so who been language on within 6-7 months on hereby ko be not house build mo do hino who be there kawadi house build on ko ben non topito ma eba golle the very moment I did golle I did permanent stay kon
sapari house
Germany
sapari house build mo be da pante stars be na bete stars
straight because
menenga Belgium do gadi kono
andi no hebi golleji de annanda ko jamanu ben sohli dum there are work which the German people they need and they don't have enough. So once you are 2.5 years in your house building, they know you have 6 months time to go. They are the very people who will help you to get a work. You understand me? I stay Germany do. When I Germany do all over Europe. I go in the Tambinda. Ko be in the Tambinda and sa jango ya dunde. This is Germany. There is no work, you don't go to school, you just get it like that. Because ang ara inna dawa fit today. Goddo ara inna min de mi fit mid of fitta gila dubi 39. Ko mo be jonnata golle de.
Ko de wondo dubi na yo. Fittu do ske.
Sakan duma sita ya hebi kaydi. Kolli ray do wonde ma anga jango dum straight forward. Afami komita ak be sukabe be ya be jango ya boy dem len ngeen jangi dem len school go to school learn the language when you finish the language you get what they call house building When you finish your high school, then you get a work. This is what will make you stay in Germany. There is no something else. And this is the reality. Ala nen brothers be member, sisters be member, wawa dung andu de dung laba ko e mak bedeng. Goddo no windi lang hanki. Imo fala evidence. The paper which is showing that Gambia, there's no government who will show you this.
Those are bilateral protocols. Those are bilateral agreements. Those are between governments. Those are confidential documents. Those are confidential.
And what do me fala hala de yimbe andakadi? There's nobody they will put in a plane, deport the person without paper. Fatel, ala. I go to an entire plane, so ala kaidi. Afami coming to Tago. It is not allowed to put anybody in a plane without a document. It's a plane on Yanino. Without a plane on Yanino. How can they prove who you are? It's not possible. And
boarding pass.
And the thing is that not only the boarding pass, a real document which is replacing the passport. Afami coming natamako. It's not the boarding pass only. The document, a clear document, which is replacing the passport. And more than 90% of the people who make asylum, they don't get documents, afami. No document, because you get more chance than to apply for your asylum and this and this and that. Afami coming to Tamako. The many people, they don't have documents. Okay. Now, when they reject you, you don't have document. How can they take you in a plane without the knowledge of your government? Number one, your government must say yes, not only yes. They must provide a document so that they can board you in a plane to take you back home. And this new government you are seeing, they don't have money, my brother. People don't know even time of Yahya Jammeh they are deporting people. People don't know this. Although people get asylum here because of Yahya Jammeh, but still, they used to go underground, meet Yahya Jammeh to get certain documents, Afami. Because right now, it's different than the time before. And the time before, there was no handies. There was no mobile phones. Right now, my brother, through your mobile phone, they can trace you. They can listen to you. Afami community man. When I have a jinna, I feel ganal. Before I into the water, do understand. Because if you are to jinna like, come to Tuba go on the gin. Now I don't know why or no tano, no tampa, cocoa no gin. So then get jangi. Then get jangi again, Muna integrates and Bopa Fini, or I will not die on Gambia. This is the problem what we have. And this Barrow government, things go so quick. Andy Gila Steinmeier no Aragambia. He went all over West Africa. Gambia or Futori. People don't know even this. Gambia was the first country he visited. And he didn't come there to buy mangoes, to buy oranges and so on and so forth. Sandari,
the strategy that why he started with Gambia, that is logic, because Sandari Ardube Baodobe, Gambians are among the largest amount of people in West Africa to come.
How can say that? How can say that?
No other problem, bro. Sandari is Minister.
How can say that?
No, that's good. No problem.
Go along.
Sandari, the statistics, Ardube Laol Baongwell, within the last years, yeah? Sandari in West Africa, Gambia, even though Gambia is a small country, it's a small population, but we are among the largest amount of young people who took the back way into Europe. And
this is
Sandari, so that's why he...
Let me rectify you a little bit. When I want never go in and put it to the No. The thing is that because of crimes, once you are involved in crimes, you are in the computer. Meanwhile, though, any crime mojo idenko. Ko daragol ka yasi no yeya. Boy, kera hula idung halu.
No, me hula dung halu le. Kami won't understand my say oye Gambia force. It's because maybe the amount of number of Gambians in Germany,
Oh, it's not that. It is not that. Believe me. The thing is that Andy one time he made a video. Andy I have all my equipment. I can put my camera even here in a form of a pen, and people don't know isn't it a pen, and I'm talking to people and so on and so forth. One time I saw the Gambian standing outside, bro. Video ko 8 days rek mi wadi dum online. Affaire rookie simi yalti. So if you see the Gambian standing, 40 Gambians standing in one road, boy. And people taking taxis, seeing this, people eating in front, opposite seeing this and all this. All number sikata. Basically, Gambian will be forced to be doko number one at the car.
Hey, because of the bad picture that people saw.
And this is the only crime we have, my brother. Let me tell it to you. We don't have a lot of crimes, man. The crime we have is to stand outside selling drugs. You can sell drugs. There are people sell drugs and they get money. But today you don't have something. So you know, be put on the tajibe sa and I want Makilian Amut. This is what I do online. Another video I came and talked to them straight. My brother, you people don't know here what Sehover said. What happened to you people standing here like this in the open? When I shoot a gold day. My brother, Saidi, I just put the video offline. Saidi, I can show you I can send it the raw video. I still have it. Okay. There are people who are telling another video where people can hear the Mandinka of the Gambia, the Olaf of the Gambia, and the Mandinka is sweet because there is English inside. Same thing with our Olaf. The Olaf Gambian, who can hear this and don't know is Gambians? Allah be posh. We be work Tory brothers be work in America, bro, uncle, helping o video. Mean, actually, suka be Kuchuli, banana for para because you're born and they work, baby. Why not every Gambian doing this?
Yeah, and the boy got the Arido before what they in. Boy got them Obase Mane Kunda or Hali people, our Africans and Gambian people. That's why we are all painted the same picture, the same image.
Only one crime, my brother. The only crime we have is to stand outside selling drugs.
Oh, bro, I hope his charger did not go off. Bro, I'm going to Bantangel. Bro, Bantangel. Oh my. Network Macon, keep telephone Macon off. You see, brothers, we welcome brother Amadu's effort. It was very, and the Saimwadi. If you see, I invite brother Amadou because you can go follow him. Go follow on Freedom Net Gambia. You will see what he's talking about. Amadou is one of those vocal Gambians. It's not today. This brother is from the Gambia. He make videos. He talk about Gambian issues. I follow him. I follow him for a long time. Amadou no tawa him every time. See about Gambian issues. Oyalta more advise Gambians be Oyalta video or like about Gambian political and social matters. These are some brothers that I follow. I listen to. So video makons if you are following my this open conversation page. You will see I share his video there. Bro, kori wana telephone ma off.
Go online or off.
Okay.
No problem. You don't get to the work. No.
It's finished. No, come follow Dari Arisa Uncle Natadari. Almost I was going. It's good that to come one-on-one with you to talk to you about these things, because Uncle Wanda Aldedoko, you are talking from experience, and some things that you try to let Gambians themselves see why they are being targeted. Why are they being the victims? You know, why are they feeling victimized while they are themselves, you know, committing these crimes that lead them to be first targets.
This is it.
So
that's the problem. And I got to Daraki because got to Daro dum bonna and I Daro Taco. A family. They put Gambia, all the Gambians in one basket. This is bad. This is very, very moja. Don't go over Anyan. Bahut. A family coming there because Germany here you have lot of chances. You have lot of chances in Germany. Germany is one of the richest countries, not only in Europe here, all over the world. Sahari hard or no. Ye are opportunities eating for achadung for. Inna anko daragol kayasi. Here you go. Okay? Aparisibe nangi mahaya ala kalisis yobugo lawyer. Does that make sense, man? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Mimi wa fala boys have been mobbe. Trial acknowledge mundi dem school. You have school. Jungle language on son who be the language on eba ko be not the house building on goy da who been there be hebante golle immediately. Ala I go to man da eba house building they will have a golle do. No, tung ala. You know?
Yeah, bro. Go no not do msiki bro Mamadou. Bro mbob so no I know diti. Kera fala anani go du ko fala what the art on.
Take him.
No, I'm here.
Okay, alright. Bro, me not that they bad. They bure you today. Me jogi number ma join.
Inshallah, bro.
Do that. Bro Amadou, me that number ma down me what number ma jogi Facebook ma. I have been following you. It's not like me follow all them ma me ala kono. I will thank you for coming on. After all your engagement, maybe one of these days, you know, we just, if you have time also, you come here, you talk to, you help to talk to our brothers, because you know, you just trying to enlighten people, and I choose some time ago getting inspiration
we want Gambia to go forward, and we want good thing for the Gambia. That's why we are doing all these things. And you know what, bete otago because I go sukabe. Afami coming tamako. Suka no ko nete. They want to understand situation on do. Because teka Gambia vela benatama ni hara ipus ala ka gifa and nothing. And na borani ha ipus dum wana ko veli. Hara bitina be ananda idong how to dibeng fo bitina be. Because they are hara fo no heads. Afami coming tamako. So advise my brothers and sisters to go to school so that they can integrate themselves here. There is no other chance. The first thing they have to do is to get a lawyer. It's important to get a lawyer. Lawyer ko afer mbudi non kono. Inda mo ko dum edum mi hebi mi ala mbudi boy ko dum mi hebi o walla ma ko dum buri. Sa ala non lawyer ara no. It's bad. It's bad. Thank you very much.
Bro, thank you for Bro, jarama photo ko to that time and one of these days, if I will try to engage you also in your free time. What advice? Because maybe somebody is there in Germany today. One of these people, or who will be seeing this. What is here on video, Mala? Maybe some people learn from it. And today also seeing you on this platform with other people who are following me, they will know the because from experience you live in Germany for a long time and you have been following German politics like you are following Gambian politics, because it's both home for you now. Germany kokomada, Gambia komada. So you follow both politics and you know them. So that's why you are talking about these things. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening and a productive week.
Thank you, bro.
Jarama fota bro. Allah yobe. Jarama fota bro. That was Brother Amadou. Thank God that Owawi na today at the last minute from having time. No me halira no from the beginning. When he's already free, when he's free he will come on. And I thank him for coming on his free time. So I will end this program now, and I hope next week Sunday also we will bring on other people. We talk about other migration and integrations issues that will help others to learn from, and so that they can help have a way through the integration process. Be under on the water Europe though, because and the money come put remote you dekon wana in goal, how you go madun job what goal company, Allah jam. May you all have a wonderful evening. So I will end this program here. Salute, respect to everybody. Thank you very much. You can share the video for the benefit of those who don't see it yet. Maybe it will help them to learn. Thank you very much. Have a good night.